Hey there and welcome to a new video. In today's video, we will solve a SQL interview question which is very commonly asked in most of the SQL interviews. So the question is, you are given an order table containing information about customer orders. Now we have to write a SQL query to find the total revenue, the revenue from high value orders, and the condition is given, that is amount greater than or equal to 500 will be considered as high value orders, and the third condition is the revenue from low value orders we have to calculate, and the condition given amount less than or 500 should be considered as low value orders. Now for this we have created a table, that is the orders transaction table. So let us query the table and see what is the schema. Execute, and we have the order transaction table which has got transaction id, customer id, and sale amount. So this is the table which is available. Now using the table we have to find the total revenue with respect to a customer, the revenue from high value order with respect to each customer, and revenue from low value order with respect to each customer we have to calculate. In this question, we are not given any expected output because not all questions we will be provided expected output and asked to write query to obtain the expected output, but instead we will only be given such question and a table will also be given. Then we have to write the query to obtain the output, imagining the output in our mind so that the final output should align with the expectation. So for that, here we will use the order transaction table, and now we will modify the query to get the output. And the concept that we are going to use here will be the conditional aggregation concept. So the first column that we require will be customer id, because we are going to aggregate the result based on customer id, because for each customer we have to calculate the high value order amount, low value order amount, and total revenue. And first we will calculate the total revenue, that is sum of sale amount, close parenthesis, and this column will be named as total underscore revenue. And before executing this query we will have to add a group by clause also, that is group by customer underscore id. Execute, and we will get the total revenue with respect to each customer, and we have the total revenue with respect to each customer, and that is the first question that we have to calculate. Now we have to calculate the revenue from high value order with respect to each customer. So for that we have to make use of the conditional aggregation logic, and then we have to obtain the result. We will make use of the sum aggregate function, open and close parenthesis, and within the parenthesis we have to make use of the conditional aggregation. So here we will make use of the case statement, that is case when sale underscore amount greater than or equal to 500, it is considered as a high value order, then we have to consider the column as sale amount, then sale underscore amount, else we have to consider the value as 0 and end the case statement. So this condition is written based on the condition which is available in the question, that is amount should be greater than or equal to 500. So the same condition we wrote as case statement. Now this column will be named as high value order amount. So this is the high value order that we will get with respect to each customer. Now similarly we will have to write another query which will calculate the low value order amount with respect to each customer. For that we will write another case statement, that is case when sale amount less than 500, then sale underscore amount, else 0, end the case statement as low underscore value underscore order underscore amount. Now execute, and let us see what is the result we have obtained. Execute. Now we have obtained a result where we have customer id, total revenue, high value order amount, and low value order amount with respect to each customer. And when we go through the result, we can see that for each customer we have obtained a different row. And when we take the customer id 101, we can see total revenue is 850, and within that 850, 600 is obtained with respect to high value order amount, and 250 is obtained with respect to low value order amount. Hence 600 plus 250, which will give us the total revenue. That is the solution for the question. Now the same question can be approached in a different way, that is, so this is method 1. Now the same question can be written in a different way using CTE. Now I will show how we can write the query using CTE. So that will be method 2, and now we will write the select clause select, and the first column will be customer underscore ID, and now the second column will be a case statement, and based on the case statement we are going to create a flag column. So that will be case when sale underscore amount greater than or equal to 500, then the value will be high value, else we have to write it will be low value, else low underscore value, and end the case statement as the column name will be flag. And now the third column that we require will be the sale amount column, which we will make use of in order to calculate the value, that is the high value order amount, low value order amount, and total revenue. And here we will take the sale amount column, and these are the three columns which we require in order to get the final result. So now execute this, and we will be able to see a result where we have three columns, that is customer ID, flag, and sale amount. And before executing we have to write the from clause also, from orders underscore transactions, execute, and we have a result where we have customer ID, flag, and sale amount. Now we will place this query inside a CTE. So with T1 as open and close parenthesis, now we will write the select clause select customer ID, that is customer underscore ID. Now write the same clause with respect to sum aggregate function, sum of sale underscore amount close parenthesis as total revenue. And now we are going to write the conditional aggregation logic. Here it will be sum of open and close parenthesis case when flag equal high underscore value, then sale underscore amount, else 0, end the case statement as high value order amount. We will copy the column name, that is high value order amount. Copy this, paste it here. Now in the same way we will write another expression, that is sum of case when flag equal low underscore value, then sale underscore amount, else 0, end the case statement as low value order amount. Now after this write the from clause, that is from T1, and now write the group by clause, that is group by customer underscore ID. Now execute this query starting from the CTE, starting from with T1 as, execute this query, and we will be getting the same result. We have obtained the same result where we have customer ID, total revenue, high value order amount, and low value order amount with respect to each customer. So this is second method of writing the same query using the conditional aggregation logic, but in a different way. The DDL and DML to create the table will be available in description. If you like this video, check out the channel for more such video. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more. Thank you.